Hello, I am the founder of this niche focused Shopify dropshipping store. I built this startup to provide a high quality professional entry point into the US e-commerce market. The store features a clean, mobile responsive design on Shopify, optimized for high conversion rates. I have fully integrated it with automated fulfillment systems, so inventory and order processing are handled seamlessly. This makes this business very easy to manage. My expertise lies in designing and launching professional starter stores. I am selling this asset now to allow a new owner to take over the daily operations and scale it to its full potential. If you are looking for a chunky Shopify business with a solid foundation, this is a great opportunity. Thank you.